Okay, so no motivational stories, blah blah blah. This is just gonna be really practical, straight to the point guide, step by step, on how you can actually be consistent at doing positive things like, exercising, studying, practicing your art, meditating, literally anything. So basically on today's video, we are gonna be learning from my previous mistakes on my journey on trying to be consistent at doing stuff. Okay, so hey, this is March 10th, 2025, and this is gonna be day 245 of consistently helping people build consistency. Okay, so you know what? I'm gonna be, my story is about my journey on being consistent on exercising. But again, actually, you can apply this to any field. You can apply this to exercising, you can apply this to studying, to meditating, to practicing your art, reading some books, anything. Okay? So here's the thing. If you look at my old videos on these YouTube channels, I actually got this one series called consistently doing 10 consecutive pull-ups every single day. And yeah, basically it's just me doing 10 consecutive pull-ups. Well, I don't know about you, right? But personally, it's pretty hard. You can just like try it by yourself doing 10 consecutive, okay, consecutive pull-ups, right? I don't know. I think like for most people, it's gonna be something hard. Also for me, it's something hard. It's not that easy, okay? Yeah, if you can see my expression in my videos, I'm definitely trying really hard to reach 10 consecutive pull-ups because it's not easy, okay? And I just basically record myself doing 10 consecutive pull-ups every single day, record it, document it, and upload it on YouTube every single day. Okay? And I managed to have a 39 days streak of doing that thing. And I broke the streak on day 40 for some reason, which I'm gonna be explaining soon. Okay, so moving on to the negative parts, what can we learn from my mistakes? So for context, why I broke the streak on day 40 is because I got sick. I got sick on day 40, and since doing 10 consecutive pull-ups is something that's hard, even on the days when I'm healthy, how can even I do it on the, on the days when I'm sick? Okay, I cannot even on that day. I could not even do like one pull-ups. Okay, so yeah, basically I just like lied on my bed and basically knowing my streak is going to reset to day zero again, but there's nothing I can do. So the thing that maybe like if I can go back to the past, maybe I'm just gonna be changing the title of the series instead of doing 10 consecutive pull-ups every single day. Maybe I'm just going to be changing the title into trying my best to do my pull-ups every single day. Okay, something like that. Okay, so maybe on the days when I'm sick, I can maybe like do some assisted pull-ups. Okay, assisted pull-ups, some easier form of pull-ups, but yeah, still basically showing up. Okay, so that's one mistake. Okay, please set on a realistic target. Okay, even like also consider the fact that you're gonna be sick. Okay, one of the days there are going to be days when you're gonna be sick. Okay, so please also consider the possibility of getting sick, and also is it realistic to achieve that goal on the days when you're sick, or even like just please just take some rest days when you're sick. Okay. Okay, so before we get into my mistakes, okay, we get into the positive parts first, right? So basically, one of the reason why I can stick to till day 39 is because I keep on a streak. Okay, I keep on track for how many days I've been consistently doing that thing. Okay, so the thing about streak here about habit streak here is that we just don't want to lose it. Okay, we grow some sense of attachment. We just want to see the numbers grow higher and higher and higher, and also we do not want to reset to day zero again. Okay, because it's kind of painful. Okay, and also this kind of habit streak actually gives me some sense of confidence because hey, you know what, if I can do this thing for the past 14 days consistently, I can also do this thing on the 15th day, on the 16th day, on the 17th day, and so on and so on. So it's basically proving to myself that one, it's something that's achievable and realistic to do, which might not necessarily be the case, okay? But secondly, all it also proved to me that I actually do it because I actually did it, okay? I have the chance to just be lazy and not do it, but I still did it, okay? So basically, that's why having a streak is really, really effective in order to help us be consistent. Oh yeah, and I think like if even if I just think of it, maybe I should have, you know, have a softer approach on my habit streak. Maybe I'm going to I should have make some exceptions. Like for example, oh yeah, if I was sick, if I'm sick, well, it's okay not to do the thing, but also the streak is also going to continue. Maybe I'm gonna be making some exception for myself, something like that. I don't know, like just like create a clear rule on the beginning, right? So moving on to my second mistake. My second mistake is I did not specify what time of the day am I going to be doing that particular thing. I only say that, oh yeah, do 10 consecutive pull-ups every single day. So this resulting in me I I procrastinate. Me procrastinating doing the thing. Because yeah, doing 10 consecutive pull-ups is something that's painful and my lazy brain doesn't want to do, didn't want to do. So it kind of like procrastinate. So yeah, some of the days I even like I did the pull-ups at like 11 p.m. when I'm really exhausted. So I think it's kind of like counterproductive because it's also kind of ruin my sleep schedule, right? So next time, just like create a specific time when am I going to be doing the pull ups, okay? Maybe like at before 5 a.m. or like before 6 a.m., something like that. Oh, so the light went out, and yeah, for the date authenticity post, today is March 10th, 2025, and Mimzar posted a night shift workers post last 24 hours. Thank you.